so paranoid.
Yo, that's classic.
I'm so paranoid. In enough time, you'll be digging up my bones. Still in my prime, leave me alone. Walking behind, I'm not a drone. Chasing the vine that everyone's gone. Fuck it, I'm thinking the worst. I put the clutch down, knock it down in reverse. Been a long time since I've been in first. Idle on this world that's cursed. I'm taking the time to let go of contrary. Please excuse me. Taking the time to creep in your mind so scary. Please don't lose me. I'm chilling with an angel and the devil, frying up chicken wings. They told me the sun's gonna let go, solar blasting through our dreams. But I can't seem to let go, it's the dying of everything. And the darkness follows so unclear, I can't see anything. No, I don't wanna let go, it's the dying of everything. And the darkness follows so unclear, can't see anything. I believe my spirit flies with a social enterprise, but the hate it makes way, it takes place of everything in sight. So I try to lay low. See, everyone should know that the problem's too great, too late, it's the last tomorrow. We've been a victim since the beginning of consciousness, the beginning of need and greed, the beginning of innocence. But we can't keep getting hit, picking up on that false script, cause I got a plan, stick it to the man. Tell that bitch I'm done with it. Got eyes in the back of my head, man. I don't wanna be a fucking dead man. All the lies and all the tries and the tips to keep me away from the plan. Damn, I don't know why they wanna try to keep me locked up, segregated. Maybe the end is now, that's why they're keeping us separated. I'm so paranoid and I don't know what to do. Concentrating, percolating, and waiting for the truth.
Yo,
I
that's
said I'm so paranoid and I don't know what to do. Maybe put this joint on out, concentrate on me and you. I said I'm so paranoid and I don't know what to do. Concentrating, percolating, and waiting for the truth. I said I'm so paranoid and I don't know what to do. Maybe put this